Next up, we have a speaker who has over 25 years of experience in infrastructure, government, and the life sciences sector with respect to policy development and India entry strategy for some of the leading global life sciences entities. May I now invite Mr. Utkarsh Palnikar, Partner and National Head, IGS Advisory Management, KPMG.
Namaskaram, Mandeep, Chaudhary Garu, and dignitaries on the dais. It's wonderful to be in your midst this morning. While fintech is the buzzword around the world and in India, it's really Andhra Pradesh that's taken the forefront and has been the forerunner. And Andhra Pradesh, or AP, as you know, you will soon recognize it to be what it stands for, and that's always progressive. And, I hark back to about a decade, a little more than that, when I had the privilege of, being alongside Mr. Chaudhary when he built the entire high-tech city cluster in Hyderabad. And, the audience that you see here and the sheer bonhomie that you see here is the camaraderie that he creates. Which starts as a stream and goes into a mighty river and then creates what he described as a tsunami. And Chaudhary Garu, you said that you're going to have the conference again next year in this hall. I'm sorry, this hall will not be able to accommodate those numbers. So you will have to think in terms of a much larger venue. He talked about culture. And people talk about strategy and how they want to go about their plans. And as Peter Drucker rightly said, culture eats strategy for breakfast. And it's really focusing on that culture is what you're going to see, the change that's going to come about here. There are several elements in making a cluster. Focus, what Mr. Chaudhary talked about is one, but getting the perfect alignment, getting all the elements together. Otherwise, they'll just be pearls around. You need a string to run around that pearls, and that really will be the true definition. This state, of course, has a unique flavor or culture, and it's described as entrepreneurship. And it's really entrepreneurship that has created so many enterprises. And this is, again, something that will drive both innovation and enterprise in this state. Again, the lead has been taken by the state in developing a talent pool, in linking all those elements together. So what you're seeing today is really a curtain raiser or the harbinger for the glorious times ahead. At KPMG, we are immensely proud and privileged to be associated with the government of Andhra Pradesh in this endeavor. And we hope to partner with them on this journey. Thanks so much.